YNA family. So today we're back with another video for y'all. Today we're gonna do something special for you guys. Let's get right into it. But look, I'm gonna teach you guys and baby how to speak Somali. So it was highly recommended from you guys, so we're gonna do it for you guys. And if you guys know, it's the month of Ramadan for the Muslim culture, so we're gonna do it and hope you guys enjoy and learn some new. But let's get right into it, y'all.
So we're gonna do like the basic stuff.
Okay, basic.
I know some, but some he don't really actually teach me. So it's gonna be fun. We're just gonna do the basic words. So how do you say like hi?
How do you say hi is Assalamu alaikum. Say it.
Assalamu alaikum.
So you guys say Assalamu alaikum. That's how you say hi, okay?
And then what does the other person say once they say Assalamu alaikum?
So if you say Assalamu alaikum to me, I say Wa alaikum salam.
Okay.
Say it. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Woo, yeah. Let's go.
The next one, it would be, how do you say thank you?
Okay, so how do you say thank you is ashanto.
Okay. Ashanto.
Woo! Baby be on it, and I hope you guys 2 for 2 right now. So try it. Ashanto. Let them know, baby.
Ashanto.
Let's go, y'all. Okay.
How do you say water?
Water. Water. This is pretty easy. You guys will get this one. So bio.
Bio.
Bio. So that's easy. So just play around and like at home, just be like, Mom, I want some bio. Or say your girl or your boyfriend or whoever, I want some bio. They be like, who taught you this? Say the YNA family. Let's go.
Okay. What are you doing?
Mahahasa.
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 Hasa.
There we go. Say it again.
Mahahasa.
No,
I said it.
Mahahasa.
Hasa.
Hey, so you guys say Mahahasa.
Mahahasa.
Hey, Mahahasa. Hey, do it again. Mahahasa. Hey, it's lit, baby.
How you say stop?
Bis. Yo, you see how I did that? Why did you? Bis. That's how you say stop. Bis. Okay.
Bis.
Bis. How you say stop?
B-I-S.
B-I-S-S. Okay. Bis. Next.
How do you say milk? Go give me some milk.
So like, go give me some milk. Bah, I know you can. Yeah.
Bah, I know you can.
No. Bah.
Bah.
I know. You can.
I just said that.
No. You said, bah, yeah.
No, I didn't.
Bah, I know you can. There we go. So go bring me some milk. That's it. So
bah,
go.
I know you can.
Bah, I know you can.
Chocolate, though.
Chocolate, I know. So pretty much like, yeah. So somebody go, bah, I know you can. It's easy. So just.
So I know it's milk.
Yeah, I know it's milk. So bah, I know you can.
How do you say food?
Food. Hunguri.
Hunguri. I like that word. I don't know why.
Hunguri. So like.
I say I want some hunguri.
I need hunguri arawa. A nigga. A nigga. Say it. A nigga. Not the N word. Don't say the N word. A nigga. A nigga. Yo. So okay. A nigga buy any. Alright, you ready? What was the question again? You said, how you say, bring me some food?
I think so.
A nigga hunguri can.
A nigga
hunguri can.
Hunguri can.
There we go.
A nigga hunguri can.
There we go. A nigga hunguri can.
What did you do today?
You ready for this one, YNA family?
I'm not ready.
What did you do today? Ha subise mata. Maha subise mata. So 3 things. Maha subise. No. Maha. Copy me. Maha subise mata. Maha subise mata. Maha subise mata.
Maha subise mata.
Let's do it again 3 times. Maha subise mata. Maha subise mata. Maha subise mata. Now tell me.
Maha subise mata.
Come on, bro. I just try to practice. Alright, what is it?
Maha subise mata.
There we go. I hope you guys learned that. So ask your mom, Maha subise mata. She gonna be like, huh? What?
How you say go get me some ice cream?
Go give me some ice cream?
Yeah.
Bah, ice cream you can.
Bah, ice cream you can.
Bah,
ice cream
you can.
Bah, ice cream
you can. Yeah, so go give me ice cream.
Go give me ice cream.
You want ice cream?
Why family? You should go get me ice cream, right?
Okay. Hope you guys learned something in this video. YNA fam, hope you guys learned something new. And
I learned something new.
Something interesting. And if you did, comment down below. We learned something new. But until the next video, YNA family, hope you guys enjoy. We gotta go, man. Peace.